Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word significant. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new research findings have revealed significant differences in the outcomes of the two treatment options. Significant in this context indicates that the differences observed are noteworthy, important, or have a meaningful impact on the overall results or conclusions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.